In today's digital age, virtual meetings are becoming increasingly important. So if you want to adopt using virtual meeting, especially using Microsoft Teams, watch this video and follow this step-by-step guide on how to use Microsoft Teams to make your virtual meetings a success and become a high productive leaders. Now, in my previous video, if you have not watched it, it's right over here. I show you step by step on how to set up your meetings, invite participants, and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you a few more tips and tricks that can help you to speed up your meeting as well as make your meeting more productive and result-oriented. So let's jump into my Microsoft Teams and get started. So tips number one, I'm going to show you how you can set it up a meeting minutes as well, or agenda, meeting minutes, all in one place so that you don't have to struggle. A lot of time you are sending out emails and then you want to find back the old meeting minutes or agenda. It's so difficult, right? Because it is everywhere in your emails. So now let me show you a good way that you can consolidate all your meeting agenda as well and minutes in just one place and share among all your team members. Now, this is a mock-up team that I created, okay, to demo, to teach my clients how to use Microsoft Teams to improve their work productivity. So let me show you here. I assume you know how to create teams within this Microsoft Teams, right? If you do not, leave a comment right below, then I maybe do another video to show you on that. So once you create a team right over here, okay, just go here, all right? Every time you create a team, there'll be a general, the rest will be like a special channel. Yeah, if you do not know what it is, just put your questions right below. So once come to this general, yeah, now here, this is already, I already set up. You most probably you will find posts. Posts is your chat and your files. Yeah, all the files that you share among in your teams will be right over here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on this. This is the team notes, right? Okay, now if you see this here, we have different like notebook. Okay, these are the team's notebook. If you use Microsoft OneNote, you will know this interface is exactly OneNote's interface, right? It's exactly the same because it's incorporated into your OneNote, right? So what you can do is to create a notebook called meetings, and then inside here, the meetings, wherever you want to have meetings, right? Create a new page. Let's say I want to create a new page. Today is 2023-02-28, all right? Then what meeting is that? Let's say sales meetings, okay? Now you can put your agenda right over here. So just type your agenda, what you want to have to discuss, okay? Key bullet points, point number 1, point 2, and so on, right? And after that, you can use the same, right? Same page, okay? And type over here, click it over here. Then I want to put in minutes. So this will be your meeting minutes, okay? And then you can put in number 1, meeting minutes. What is it all about, right? Number 2, type in your meeting minutes, okay? Number 3, and so on. Now you want to do your to-do list, you can also put in your to-do list here as well. I'll show you on my other video on how do you want to share the to-do or task, right, and share among all your team members, because in Microsoft Teams, you can have these so-called Microsoft Team Planners, and then everyone can track the progress of the task. Yeah. Now, if you've not watched my previous video, okay, go watch it right over here. Yeah, this is the video about how to do that. But you want to simplify, all you need is just put it right over here to do, and then you can list it out 1, 2, 3, everything right over here. Because now in the meetings, so come over here and you have this sales meeting, right? And you can sort it accordingly. So this is the latest meeting. So now all you need is, if I want to find something that happened previously, yeah, or something that happened, let's say last year, I can click over here and I can see this. Yeah. Now you can see this, I can move around, I can insert table, or I want to draw also can. You want to put photos, anything. Right? This is like your so-called notebook. And the beauty is that when you put in right over here, everyone in your teams, meaning that all the team members right over here, they can actually access and see it. Not only you, and they can even also come in and edit it, right? Or add status. This is so much powerful when you can have everybody collaborate together doing this. Now, I already set it out. Let me show you how. If you do not have this, right? All you need is just click here, the plus sign, and then search for OneNote. Okay, you can see here. If you don't come out over here, you just type OneNote. Like I told you that this is using Microsoft team is using the OneNote to do all this thing. Yeah, and then you create a new notebook and then call it any names. Then you will see something like this. Now, by the way, you can add as many notebook as you want. But my advice is, of course, you have meetings, you have other things like checklists you want to share. Just use one will do. So because inside here, you can create a lot of Teams notebook. Even you can show you, you can have like a notice board, right? If I want to have a notice board that everyone can see, I can put it right over here. So all your team members can basically come in and they can see, right? All the things that you want to announce. This is like a notice board, yeah?
Nice.
Is that powerful? Okay, let me know in the comments. Yeah. Now, sometimes if you want to check who actually attend your meetings, right? So because, in virtual meetings, some people will just log in, log out, and especially if you chair the meetings, you can't just go and continue to monitor that. But after the meeting, right? Let me show you right over here, the screen. Let's say I pick up just one meeting, okay? And you can see right over here, there's this attendance after this meeting. Click on this attendance, and basically you can see who actually attend the meeting, what time they log in, what time they log out, total time they're in or total duration they're in the meetings, right? Or you can just download it as an Excel file, okay, or CSV file that you can open with an Excel. So if you have a lot of participants, you can see the whole list right over here. So after the meetings, yeah, just come to your chat and you can see this, the meeting section, or you go to the calendar as well. You can find that. Let's say, for example, here, November 4th, if I go to the calendar, say November, okay, let me see, November 4th, okay, there's this meeting here. And then if you go edit, you can also find the attendance right over here. If you do recording, you can find the recordings over here as well. Yeah, so just go there and download it. If you really want to track on the attendance, this is one place that you can go find and get your attendance. Now, I hope these few tips will help you to manage your virtual meeting more efficiently, right? So that you can make full use of Microsoft Teams to help you do all the tracking as well as collaboration. It saves time, right? People searching for information. Because today, times are money, right? And we got to be productive. You don't want to waste your time to all searching for information. If you want to become a high-performing managers or leaders, do subscribe to this channel. And I'm Andrew, and I share videos, right, or information, tips, and tricks on how to use the commonly available productivity tools to help you become more productive so that you have more time to work on your KPIs and hitting your goals. And that's the way to grow your career.
You deserve this promotion.
So if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you real soon in my next video.